Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make banana date and peanut butter smoothie. Here we have frozen banana, we have date fruit, peanut butter, fresh milk, some ice. So now let's go. Guys, into our blender we have added everything: banana, date and peanut butter. Now we are going to add a little bit of fresh milk. Guys, before we continue, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So now, thank you for subscribing. Let's go. After blending for 2 minutes, let's add our ice. Then we finish the blending. Our smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.